Hello everybody and welcome to Chats from the Engineering Desk. Hope you're doing very well today. I have a Lenovo S145 laptop which I bought in 2020. It was a budget laptop and it was never the fastest of laptops, so I decided to upgrade it recently. So I did three things to it. I installed M2 NVME SSD, which it didn't have. I installed a 1TB disk. I upgraded the RAM, which lives under here, from 4 gig to 16 gig, and I changed the mechanical hard disk to an SSD. The process involved firstly changing the RAM, then cloning the operating system from the original hard disk onto the new M2 disk, which lives over here, and then taking the new SSD for here, formatting it and installing it. So what I now have is 16 gig over here, 1 terabyte over here, and I've got 128 gig over here because it was an old hard disk that I had lying around and it's free. So it's a bit of extra space and a scratch pad, if you will, for documents and stuff. So I've got the operating system living on there. It was quite a cost-effective upgrade. It cost me 2,800 Rand, which if I convert that to dollars, give me a moment and I'll tell you. 2,800, $150. Very cost-effective. It's made the laptop completely useful. It's nice and smooth, it's fast. I'm very happy with the performance. Another thing it has done, it has doubled the battery life, because you actually have quite a bit of losses going on in this whole mechanical hard disk, and changing it to an SSD reduces the losses significantly. So with the screen dimmed, I can now get about 10 hours of battery life out of this thing. At full brightness, the screen with this on the screen, I get 5 hours. So it's made it a nice laptop through some easy and affordable upgrades, which has put the total cost of the laptop at, call it 8,000 Rand, which is not bad at all. The process of cloning the hard disk was straightforward. Then removing this disk and changing it, I didn't even have to go and scratch around the BIOS. Everything just worked. It was straightforward and nice and easy. So for those of you who've got a sluggish laptop and are thinking of maybe doing some upgrades, this is a consideration. But do your research first. Have a look at the specs, see what you've got, see what you can push it to, and have a look for sample YouTube videos to see what they did and what the benefits would be. In this case, the processor is a Celeron. It's running at 1.1 gigahertz, so not the quickest, but with these upgrades it's turned it into a nice laptop. I'm very happy. And there you have it, a little bit of a IT talk. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for being here. Thanks for watching it all the way to the end. Ladies and gentlemen, have an awesome week further, and I'll see you for more. Cheers.